I'm here at Bristol Shipwrights today where we're building this beautiful 43-foot Alden schooner. Today I'm just going to show you some tips and tricks that makes it a little bit easier for spreading epoxy glue. You can't move the glue with that. It's just too limber. Right? This is much stiffer once you shorten them up. So when I push this down, you see it just looks like that. When I push this down, it looks like that. You can follow Evelyn Being Built on our Bristol Shipwrights YouTube channel. You can also check us out on Patreon. We could really use the support.